A very good morning to all the students of class 5th. Dear student, today we will study the 13th chapter of social science named as Some Great Men of the World. We will study this chapter from the book Our Land, Our World, which is a social science book. So, dear student, let's start with the chapter 13, that is Some Great Men of the World. Great man means the chapter title itself is describing its learning objective. So, some great men of the world means कुछ ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए, जिन्होंने वर्ल्ड के लिए कुछ ऐसे काम किए जिसे हम आज तक भी याद करते हैं, वो बहुत ही अच्छे काम थे. So, let's start with the chapter. As you can see in my screen, these are the learning objective of chapter. We will learn about Socrates. In the second, we will learn about Abraham Lincoln. In the third, we will learn about Karl Marx. In the fourth, we will learn about Mahatma Gandhi. In the fifth, we will learn about Martin Luther. And in the last, we will learn about Mother Teresa. Dear student, these are the great men of the world. So, let's start the chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, let's understand some important things. So, dear student, as I am highlighting it, man's life is very comfortable today because of outward changes, but he needs to be more social. Truth, love, service and cooperation make a person social. Some great people lived and died for these cause and well-being of the whole society. They tried their best to make their fellow men become true, kind and cooperative. So, these great people never die as they are remembered by hundreds of generation. उन लोगों ने ऐसे काम किए जो कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकते, जो कभी मर नहीं सकते, वो 100 generation तक भी याद किए जाएंगे. So, science and technology has made men great by safety and comfort, riches and authority. But real greatness does not lie in rich and authority. Yes, student, man's real gesture lies in the ways he feel and think. He must be able to see what is good for him and what is good for everyone. What is good for him may not be good for his family or the society. Every man has to make some sacrifice for others. The way of thinking of a person is based on the values adopted by him. Great men give value to truth, love, cooperation, service and tolerance. As they feel and think about the good of the whole world. So, they not only live but also die for the good for all. So, they are loved by all. These men really never die. They are remembered even after that. Thus, they live for ages. तो जिन्होंने देश के लिए सेक्रीफाइस किए, जिन्होंने देश के लिए बहुत अच्छे काम किए, जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में ना सोचकर हम लोगों की लाइफ के बारे में सोचा, वो हमेशा आफ्टर डेथ भी याद किए जाएंगे. तो आइए आगे चल के ऐसे ही कुछ ग्रेट लोगों के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं. इस अध्याय के माध्यम से हम पढ़ते. So, very first we will discuss about Socrates. So, Socrates was born in Athens. Now, it is the capital of Greece. Dear student, this is very important question. Where is Socrates born? So, he was born in Athens, which is now the capital of Greece. Again, this is very important question. What is the capital of Greece? So, Athens is the capital of Greece. He born in Athens, which is now the capital of Greece, about 2400 years ago. He was short and ugly with a thick nose and large mouth. He believed in thinking and reasoning. People in those days believed that thunder was due to the anger of the god. लोग क्या मानते थे? जो आसमान में बिजली चमकती है वो भगवान का गुस्सा होता है. So Socrates told them that it was nothing but a natural happening. तो Socrates ने उन्हें बताया ये कुछ भी नहीं है, ये एक natural चीजें हैं. So he advised people not to accept anything blindly because that was the practice. तो उन्होंने लोगों को बताया blindly आंख बंद करके किसी भी बात पर विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. He said people should question in order to find the truth. उन्होंने बताया, लोगों को सजेस्ट किया, लोगों को कहा कि आपको सच को ढूंढने के लिए क्वेश्चंस करने चाहिए. He said people should question in order to find the truth. Socrates would first listen to the scholar and then question. They had no answer to the question in his search for truth. So Socrates expressed his view about politics. Let's understand more about Socrates. So he was frank and bold. His question made रूरल नर्वस. उसके जो क्वेश्चन होते थे वो रूलर्स को नर्वस कर देते थे. They thought that he was changing their authority and misguiding youth. रूलर्स का क्या मानना था? वो किसी भी रूल्स को, अथॉरिटी को चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और यूथ को क्या कर रहे हैं? मिसगाइड कर रहे हैं. So the authorities arrested Socrates and asked to change his way. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? Socrates को अरेस्ट किया और उसकी लाइफ को चेंज करने को बोला. But he was a courageous man. This is the pictorial part of Socrates, as you can see in my screen. He denied to leave the truth. उन्होंने सच को छोड़ने से मना कर दिया. So he was poisoned to death. He died in 399 before Christ at the age of 70. Socrates did not write any word. His chief disciple Plato wrote his teaching in front of dialogues. These are still read and admired. So जो उन्होंने लिखा है, उनके जो चीफ ने लिखा, प्लेटो ने लिखा, वो आज भी सैक्रेटिस के जो बातें हैं, उनकी जो डायलॉग्स हैं, उनकी जो टीचिंग्स हैं, आज भी लोग उसे एडमायर करते हैं और उससे बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. So let's understand the second learning objective of the chapter, which is about Abraham Lincoln. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Abraham Lincoln. So let's understand about Abraham Lincoln. So as I am highlighting it, Abraham Lincoln was one of the famous presidents of America. This is very important question. Who was Abraham Lincoln? So Abraham Lincoln is the famous president of America. He ended slavery from America. उन्होंने दास प्रथा को अमेरिका से खत्म किया. He was born in 1809 on a small farm in Kentucky in USA. He helped his father at the farm and studied by the firelight till midnight. He watched the sale of slaves as if they were animals. He spent his childhood doing all sorts of labor. One day, Abraham listened to the speech of a famous lawyer and was much impressed. He started to study law and become a successful lawyer. At the age of 25, Lincoln was elected to the legislature of Illinois state. These led to him the presidentship of the United States in 1860. कब बना वो? 1860 में उसने यूएस के, so he saw, as I am again highlighting it, okay, so he saw the evil of slavery in the southern state. उन्होंने दास प्रथा कहाँ देखी? Southern states में देखी. White people were the land owner. The African blacks were brought there in big number to work on their cotton farms. They were treated as a slaves. तो जो white लोग थे वो क्या थे? लैंड के ओनर थे. लेकिन जो अफ्रीकन ब्लैक्स थे उनके साथ एक बहुत ही गंदा स्लेव्स की तरह बिहेव किया जाता था. लेकिन वो अब्राहम लिंकन को बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया. सो दे वर गिवन, एंड जो ब्लैक अफ्रीकन थे दे वर गिवन नो वेजेस एंड फोर्स्ड टू वर्क इन द फील्ड्स. उन्हें क्या किया जाता था? उनके अकॉर्डिंग वेजेस नहीं दिए जाते थे और उनको फील्ड में काम करने को बोला जाता था. इफ दे tired to run away, they were beaten in very cruel manner. So Lincoln said Constitution of America was based on the equality of men. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? जो अमेरिका का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैन पे आधारित है. सो स्लेवरी वॉज अगेंस्ट द लॉ ऑफ द कंट्री. तो जो स्लेवरी है वो अमेरिका के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अगेंस्ट है. सो पीपल इन नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स वर अपोज्ड टू स्लेवरी व्हाइल दोज इन साउदर्न स्टेट वर in favor of it. So they said that they would form a separate country. A war broke out between the northern state and southern state. This was called a civil war as it was fought among the people of the same nation. तो ये एक ही नेशन के नॉर्दर्न और साउदर्न स्टेट्स में हुआ. तो इसे किस चीज का नाम दिया गया? इसे एक सिविल वॉर का नाम दिया गया क्योंकि ये सेम नेशन में हुआ था. इन 1862 while the war was still on, 1862 में जब वॉर चल रहा था, लिंकन डिक्लेयर्ड द टोटल फ्रीडम ऑफ द स्लेव्स. तो लिंकन ने टोटल दास की पूरी स्वतंत्रता को डिक्लेयर किया. The next year he won the Civil War. 8 lakh people died in the war. Lincoln tried to help people to go back to lead normal life. So in the history of America, he played very vital role in the American history. So as I am again highlighting it, Lincoln became very popular and was elected president for the second time. Still, some person did not like generous policy and view against slavery. One of them shot and killed Lincoln in a threat where he had gone to watch a play. He is still remembered for establishing the equality of men. तो अब्राहम लिंकन आज भी इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैन के लिए आज भी याद किए जाते हैं. वो यूएस में नहीं, पूरी कंट्री में उनको याद किया जाता है. सो द नेक्स्ट लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द चैप्टर इज अबाउट कार्ल मार्क्स. दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल पार्ट ऑफ कार्ल मार्क्स. सो Power-driven heavy machines brought about the Industrial Revolution in the beginning of 19th century. These machines produced on a very large scale and took a short time to do it. New factories began to spring up in every town and city. More than enough goods were exported to the other country. The owner of industry or industrialist become very rich. They were also called capitalists as they earned huge. क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा कमाते थे, वो उनके पास बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज थी, इसीलिए उन्हें क्या कहा गया? कैपिटलिस्ट कहा गया, क्योंकि उनके पास बहुत पैसा होता था. So profits on the basis of their capital invested and not by personal labors. So I am moving ahead. Okay, they really become richer. As I am highlighting it, they really become richer at the cost of the laborers which were paid very little wages. In the middle of the 19th century, this was the state of affairs all over the Europe. Karl Marx was born in 1880 in Germany. Dear student, this is very important question. When did Karl Marx born? So the answer is Karl Marx was born in 1880. The second important question is where is Karl Marx born? So the answer is Karl Marx born in Germany. Dear student, he became a great scholar and thinker. He became upset by this unfair situation and strongly opposed for it. Marx thought that the industry should be owned by the whole society, not by a handful of people. So this idea was called socializing. Uh, this idea was called socialism. So Karl Marx and as I am again highlighting it, Karl Marx and his friend Friedrich Engels together wrote a book, Communist Manifesto. So, in this book, they advised workers all over the world to unite. इस book में उन्होंने क्या advise किया कि सभी पूरी दुनिया के workers को एक साथ खड़े रहना है. So, they inspired the workers to fight the capitalists and take the ownership of the industries. So they told the workers that they would not lose anything but their chains. Marx wrote another book, Das Kapital, called, which also expresses his view very broadly. So let's understand more about it. More about Karl Marx. So the capitalist, and as you can see in my screen, the capitalistic and ruler did not like his idea. So he had to flee from his country to save his life. He went to England and continued writing in newspaper. There he died in 1883. Dear student, this is very important. When the Karl Marx died. So this is very important. When did Karl Marx die? So he died in 1883. His idea spread all over the world. People were much impressed by his thoughts. Lenin in Russia led a communist revolution and ended the rule of Caesar, the Russian Empire. A communist government was set up in 1918. All the industries were owned by the workers' community. The new system of equality was based on the idea of Karl Marx. Many other countries followed the communist idea. A very big union named USSR sprang up, but recently it has broken up and its states have become free democratic republics. So, he was a great man. So let's understand more about it. They told the workers that they would not, I'm so sorry. So this is all about the Karl Marx. So let's understand more about it. So that is all about Karl Marx. So let's understand about about the life history of Mahatma Gandhi. So I am highlighting it. Okay. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. This is the pictorial part of Mahatma Gandhi. Dear student, this is very important question. When we celebrated Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. So, we celebrated Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2nd October. Second important question is, when did Mahatma Gandhi or in which year did Mahatma Gandhi was born? So in 1869 Gandhi ji was born. The third important question is, where did Mahatma Gandhi ji was born? So the answer is, Mahatma Gandhi ji was born at Porbandar near Gujarat. Dear student, this is very important things, and these are very important questions which you should know. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This is again very important question. What is the full name of Gandhiji? So the answer is, the full name of Gandhiji is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. A student, he studied hard and became a lawyer. During those days, India was a slave nation ruled by British Empire. As a lawyer, Gandhiji went to South Africa to earn his living. The local black people were ruled by a small minority of white people. The blacks and the people of Indian origin were treated very badly by the whites. Gandhiji said that all men, white or black, are born equal. They must have equal opportunity to grow. महात्मा गांधी ने क्या बोला कि सारे ब्लैक एंड वाइट इक्वल हैं, सभी ने इक्वल जन्म लिया है, तो सबके पास राइट्स भी इक्वल होने चाहिए कंट्री में. सो बीइंग अ लॉयर उन्होंने क्या किया, चलिए हम देखते हैं. He organized and inspired the people of South Africa to struggle for equal treatment. तो उन्होंने साउथ अफ्रीका के लोगों को स्ट्रगल करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया कि उन्हें सबको इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आगे स्ट्रगल करना चाहिए. He told his followers to fight for truth peacefully. उन्होंने अपने फॉलोअर्स को, जो उनको मानते थे, उनको बोला कि साइलेंटली पीसफुली हम ट्रुथ के लिए, सच के लिए लड़ सकते हैं. सच अ फाइट वाज कॉल्ड सत्याग्रह बाय हिम. इस फाइट को उन्होंने किसका नाम दिया, सत्याग्रह का नाम दिया. इट मीन्स insistence on the truth. So insistence on the truth. So such a fight, I'm so sorry, it means the insistence on the truth. The people were filled with self-confidence. They faced policy, lethality, and even bullets very boldly. They sacrificed their lives for the noble cause of human equality. In this way, they won moral victory over the white comments. A student, ultimately, Gandhiji succeeded in removing many of the discriminatory laws. After spending about 20 years in South Africa, Gandhiji returned to India in 1950. This is very important question. When did Gandhiji return from South Africa to India? So the answer is, Gandhiji returned to South Africa to India in 1950. He spent a couple of years traveling around the countries. Let's move ahead and know more about Gandhiji. So he was shocked by, as I am highlighting it, he was shocked by the poverty and misery of India under British rule. The British Empire was then the greatest military and naval power on earth. But Gandhiji was not afraid. He asked people to wage a war for the for truth peacefully. The weapons for the war were non-cooperation and non-violence. He said we could not achieve good things through bad means. हम सच के लिए लड़ेंगे लेकिन किसी वेपन्स के थ्रू हम नहीं लड़ेंगे. बहुत ही शांति के साथ हम सच के लिए लड़ते हैं. You spin and weave your own cloths and do not purchase cloth prepared by the British mill. People were greatly influenced by his simple living and high thinking and affectionately called him बापू. लोगों ने उन्हें फिर क्या बोलना शुरू कर दिया, क्योंकि लोग उनकी सिंपल लिविंग, साधारण जीवन, उच्च विचार और उनके अफेक्शन को देखकर काफी प्रभावित हुए, तो लोगों ने उन्हें बापू बोलना शुरू कर दिया. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर कॉल्ड हिम महात्मा. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने उन्हें महात्मा का नाम दिया. महात्मा मीन्स द ग्रेट सोल. सिंस देन he was being called महात्मा गांधी. तभी से उन्हें हम महात्मा गांधी के नाम से जानते हैं. Now people in thousand march in the demonstrations held against the foreign rule. They faced the policy letters peacefully and went to jail gladly. So let's understand more about Gandhiji. Gandhiji was also put behind, as I am again highlighting it, bars many times. The jail all over the country overflowed with satyagrahis, the soldiers of a peacefully battle. In 1942, he started the Quit India movement. Dear student, this is very important question. When did Quit India movement started? So the answer is Quit India movement was started on in 1942 and called upon the British to leave India. So भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन कब शुरू हुआ था? 1942 में शुरू हुआ था. In the end, the British had to make India free in 1947. तो लास्ट में 1947 में अंग्रेजों ने, ब्रिटिश ने भारत को छोड़ा. Mahatma Gandhi was also a great social reformer. He waged war against untouchability. He preached truth, brotherhood, spirit of nationality and prohibition. He also worked for the upliftment of women. He wrote plain and woven cotton khadi cloths and ate only as much as he needed to make the body machine work. He said all people were equal. He taught people to raise above the differences of the religion or languages. So महात्मा गांधी ने हमारी कंट्री के लिए बहुत से अच्छे काम किए. इसीलिए वो एक सोशल रिफॉर्मर भी हमारी कंट्री में, उसके लिए भी वो काउंट होते हैं. दो फिजिकली वीक गांधीजी वाज अ मैन ऑफ ग्रेट करेज एंड डिटर्मिनेशन. फिजिकली वो बहुत पतले दुबले से थे, काफी वीक लगते थे, लेकिन उनके अंदर बहुत ग्रेट करेज था और स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन था. बहुत कुछ करने की हिम्मत थी. He fasted for peace and Hindu-Muslim unity. On 30th January 1948, a fanatic shot him dead when he was going to his prayer meeting. He is still remembered and called the father of the nation as he led the nation to freedom. Dear student, this is very important question. When did Mahatma Gandhi ji died? So the answer is Mahatma Gandhi ji is died on 30th January 1948. Again, second important question is who is called as the father of the nation? So the answer is Mahatma Gandhi is called as father of the nation. So he is respected and loved not only in India but all over the world. Many other countries got freedom through his idea of सत्याग्रह, नॉन कॉपरेशन एंड नॉन वायलेंस। तो महात्मा गांधी को सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारी अलग अलग कंट्रीज में उनके सत्याग्रह के लिए, उनके नॉन कॉपरेशन के लिए एवं उनके नॉन वायलेंस के लिए जाना जाता है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट महात्मा गांधी जी। So next learning objective of the chapter is Martin Luther King. Dear student, we will learn about Martin Luther. Dear student, Martin Luther King was born in a Negro family of America. This is very important question. Where did Martin Luther King was born? So the answer is Martin Luther King was born in a Negro family of America. This is the pictorial part of Dr. Martin Luther King. He was highly educated. Those days, slavery had been abolished, but blacks still were treated very badly. स्लेवरी सिस्टम खत्म हो चुका था, लेकिन जो ब्लैक्स थे, ब्लैक लोग थे, वो बहुत ही गंदी तरीके से उनके साथ ट्रीट किया जाता था। They could not go to the same parks and restaurants to which the white went. A black could claim a seat in a bus until every white had a seat. Like any other black, Luther too had to suffer ill treatment. Dr. King decided to achieve equal rights for American Negroes. He adopted the path of non-violence and non-cooperation shown by Mahatma Gandhi. उन्होंने महात्मा गांधी के दिखाए गए रास्ते पर नॉन वायलेंस और नॉन कॉपरेशन का रास्ता अपनाया. He asked his followers not to ride buses as a protest. Under his leadership, the black faced bullets and bomb attacks with courage, but they did not strike back. So, let's understand more about Martin Luther. This movement became, as I am highlighting it, strong day by day. Ultimately, he succeeded. He became famous all over the world. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. In 1968, he was shot dead by white American who did not understand his idea. Dr. King died when he was not even 40. जब वो 40 साल के भी नहीं थे, उन्हें व्हाइट अमेरिकन एक आदमी ने मार दिया था. His body was destroyed with bullets, but not the ideal he stood for. He had also visited India and paid homage to Gandhiji at Rajghat. Thus, many persons have fought all their lives and even died for human values. ऐसे बहुत से लोग थे जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में ह्यूमन वैल्यूज के लिए फाइट किया. They tried to take humanity a step further to equality and brotherhood. We must respect and honor them through following the value they lived and died for. जो आदर्श, जो शिक्षाएं उन्होंने हमारे लिए छोड़ी हैं, हमें उन्हें अपनाना चाहिए. So, last learning objective of the chapter is Mother Teresa. Dear student, we will study about Mother Teresa. So, dear student, the name of Mother Teresa is Agnes Ganja Vayaju. Was born in 1910. She became a nun when she was only 12 years old and was given the name of Teresa. So, at the age of 18, she was sent to India to teach at a convent in Kolkata. One day, she felt as if God was telling her to work for the poor people of the city. So, she left the convent and moved into the slums of Kolkata. She started to look after the needy children. उन्होंने क्या किया? कॉन्वेंट को छोड़ के कोलकाता के स्लम्स में रहने लगी और वहां के जरूरतमंद बच्चों का ध्यान रखने लगी. In 1950, she and the people working with her set up a new order called Missionaries of Charity. They took a vow to serve the poor. So, let's understand more about Mother Teresa. So, she believed that serving the poor means serving the Christ himself. Over the year, the missionaries of charity opened school, orphanage, home for lepers and homes for the dying poor in India and other countries. For her self-service for the poor, Mother Teresa received many awards. Among them are Bharat Ratna. She also received Bharat Ratna from the Indian government, the Magsaysay Award and the Nobel Peace Prize. ये तीनों बहुत ही renowned awards हैं इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के जो मदर टेरेसा को मिले थे उनके selfless सेवा के लिए. She died in year 1997, but she will live forever in the memory of the people, especially the poor. तो उनकी सिखाई हुई बातें, उनकी मेमोरी हमेशा हमारे दिल में रहेंगी, गरीबों के दिल में रहेंगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने निस्वार्थ सेल्फलेसली जो है अपनी कंट्री के लिए, अपने देश के लोगों के लिए, गरीबों के लिए काम किया था. So, dear student, this is all about Chapter 13, Some Great Men of the World. We will study 14th chapter in our next class. Thank you.